Hello and welcome to Java Tutorials in 5 minutes. My name is Austin. Please don't dox me. This is an internet project for school palette, and today we're going to be discussing the this statement. I apologize in advance because I'm going to be saying this a lot, and it's going to get a little bit confusing, but if you pay attention, you should be good to go. This statement isn't really that complicated, so this shouldn't take the full 5 minutes, but you never know. So as you can see, on the screen here I have the this statement class, which has an instance variable, has a constructor, and it has a main here, which we're going to be running. We call int x, and we're going to set it equal to 5. Then we have the constructor here, which is going to take a value of x. And then in the constructor, we have system.out.print x and system.out.print this.x. Then in the main here, we call a new instance of the this statement. I just named it th because I was kind of lazy. And we call 11. So when we run this, normally what we think is, right, without the this statement here, we do system.out.print x, system.out.print x. It would print out the x, right? However, you'd be mistaken. We have 11 and 5. Now why is this? As I said, yeah, we're going to use this a lot. It's because here when we call the x, this is going to be annoying. There we go. When we call the x here, we're calling this x as the sort of, this variable x here goes into here, directly inputted. However, when we call this, when we say this dot x, we're calling this x because the this statement is basically calling this class. So when it says this, it basically means this class dot do something. So if we want to do like a public void super print, and then we do system.out.print ln super breh, I don't know, something. And then we say in the constructor we did super print. Now what we'd expect to happen is we do super breh, right? Prints it out. However, if we do this dot super breh and run it, it's going to do the same thing. It's simply calling the this class. This becomes very useful when you're trying to call methods of a superclass in the subclass. For instance, if you're working with JFrames or JPanels and you want to do something, instead of doing like new JFrame frame and then setting up a whole new JFrame, you can just do this dot caps lock, this dot set size, and so forth. And it makes things a lot simpler, a lot compact. It works with variables. If I want to do, let's see, what do I want to do? String y equals new string. Why not? And then we did this dot y equals yo mama, why not? And then we did system.out.print y. It's going to probably end up printing out yo mama, exactly. Because we're calling this dot y and we're setting equal to yo mama. Now if we took out this statement here, this statement, I know, it's just going to print out new string. So this really is not that complicated. Again, this puns. But it really just calls an instance of the class. So it's not going to let me do it. It's going to give me a big red error. But imagine this is being replaced with the underscore this underscore statement. As you can see, it gives me an error, but basically it allows you to just call methods from this class. And say you had an x in the superclass and you wanted to use this x because you use the same name for the variables, then that would come in handy as well. I hope this was useful. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments section, and thank you for watching.